Good day, everyone. Welcome to your science class. Now, are you ready for our lesson? Let's look at this picture. What do you think happened here? Yes, there was a flood. Where do you think they are going? Correct, they might be going to an evacuation center. But something is missing. What do you think it is? Correct. Go bag. They are missing their go bag. Before we proceed to our lesson proper, let's have our learning goals. First, identify important things inside the go bag. Appreciate the importance of preparing a go bag and answer the seat work with 70% accuracy. So, what do you think is a go bag? And what should be inside of it? To define, a go bag or emergency kit is a pre-packed portable bag containing essentials to help you survive for at least 72 hours during a sudden evacuation. It should be durable, easy to carry backpack containing different important things. Now, let's check what's inside the go bag. To start with, we should place clean drinking water and food, particularly non-perishable ones, or in simple words, food that does not decay or spoil immediately and can be stored at a room temperature for extended periods without refrigeration, and of course, utensils. Next, our medicine and first aid, like maintenance and emergency medicine, first aid kit, which includes Band-Aid, betadine, and ointment, and of course, alcohol. Then, tech equipments like extra batteries and power bank, flashlight, portable radio, and chargers. And of course, let's not forget our personal items like extra clothes, toiletries, towels, and identification cards and documents. I hope you understand today's lesson. But before we end, let's have our question time. Why should we prepare a go bag? Correct. We should prepare a go bag as a sign of preparedness for the event of an evacuation caused by a typhoon or even an earthquake. And to summarize today's lesson, every household should have a go bag, and this bag should contain identification cards, food, water, medicine, flashlight, whistle, raincoat, and a portable radio.